Welcome to MLAC Maths class, and before us, still in the series of operation with a fraction. Alright, today we'll be looking at how to convert an improper fraction to a mixed fraction. Alright, now these are examples of improper fraction because the numerator is greater than the denominator. Alright, today I'll actually be teaching you how to change or convert an improper fraction to mixed fraction with denominator which are 2 and 3. All right, now but before we move on, you must always consider if it is 1 digit or 2 digits, because the more digits you have, the more complex it is. All right, now in this case here you have 2 digits. Now, but because the denominator here is 2, all right, and most of the values or numbers that 2 actually are divisible with are mostly even numbers. All right, now the first thing you need to do here now is look at this 21. Now, this is not an even number, rather it's an odd number. All right, now the next thing you need to ask yourself is, what is the even number close to 21? Now the even number close to 21 is 20. All right, so for us to get 20 from 21, it means we have to minus 1. Okay, so here we have 20 minus 1 will now give us 20. 21 minus 1 will give us 20 over 2. So this one we divide through here, you have 10. Then you bring down your 1 over 2, right? Okay, now this also another odd number. Now what is the even number before 27? And that's most likely 26. All right, it is 26. All right, for us to get 26 from 27, it means you have to subtract 1. So here we have 26 over 2, and 26 divided by 2 will give us 13. Then you bring down your 1 over 2. Okay, now this is a single digit numerator. All right, and doing this, just straight away you can probably ask yourself that how many 2 can you get in 7? And that is how many? That is 3. So we remainder 3, so which will also give us 3 whole number 1 over 2. You can also say implement this rule here, which is what is the even number before 7, which is 6. And how do you get your 6? Probably you have to subtract 1 from here. So here you have 6 divided by 2. Then this will give us this 3, 1 over 2, which is the same thing as this. Take note, this is not an equal sign though. All right, now here we also have another 2-digit number. All right, now what is the even number before 15? Here we have 14. Then how do you get our 14? We have to subtract 1. Okay, so here we have 14 over 2, which will give us 7 or number 1 over 2. This one is here. Now here also 3. Now most 3 actually can be divisible both with the even number and prime numbers. Okay, now in this case here, since this is an even number and it's not divisible by 3, so what is the next even number? So that will be 6. All right, how do we get 6 from 8? That will be minus 2. So here you have 6 over 3, which will give us 2 whole number, then 2 over 3. 6 divided by 3 will give us 2. Then the value that was deducted from 8 will give us the numerator. So here also this is an even number, but unfortunately it's not divisible by 3. So we'll move to the next, probably the even number, the next even number or the next prime number. Now about the next even number, okay, we'll start with the prime number, so which is 21. Now 21 is divisible by 3. So how do you get 21? Here you have what? -1. So here you have 21 over 3, which will give us what? 7. You bring down your 1 as your numerator, then over 3, sorry, over 3. Okay. All right, this is 50 by 3. Now we need to ask ourselves question. 50, 3 cannot be divisible by 3. Okay, so what next do we do? All right, we'll now move to the next prime number, and the next prime number here is 47, which is also likely not divisible by 8. All right, so we can actually still implement another rule here. Okay, the next even number here will give us 48. All right, 48. So, and 48 is divisible by 3. So by so doing here, for us to get 48 from here, I'll be able to deduct what? 2. So here we have 48 over 3. Now this will give us 16, right? Yes. So 2 over 3. Okay. So for the next one here, the next prime number here, that'll be 15. Okay. Or even number here, that will be 18, and 18 is divisible by 3. So -1, here you have what? 18 over 3. This should give us what? 6. Whole number 1 over 3. Okay, so in this case also, now here we have a 2-digit number. So probably, since this is 2, definitely most likely we'll be needing an even number. And the next even number, then the even number before 64 should be, 65 should be 64. All right, for us to get 64 here, we have to deduct 1. So here we have 64 over 2, which is 32, whole number 1 over 2. Okay. All right, so this is actually a method you can use, but with consistency with it, then you get to perfect your workings while converting improper fraction to mixed fraction. If you love what I've just done, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and ensure you click on the notification button to be notified of all my videos. Thank you and God bless you.